Struggling to know when to enter the trend and when to stay out? What if a few smart moving averages could give crystal clear entries every time? This is the MA Angle and Swing Cross Forex strategy. Simple, precise, and perfect for trending markets. You use 3 moving averages: fast MA, short period; slow MA, medium period; trend MA, long period. Buy setup. 1. All MAs are aligned upward, fast above slow above trend. 2. The fast MA swings up and crosses the slow MA. 3. Price must be above the trend MA. 4. Enter on candle close right after the cross. Sell setup. 1. All MAs are aligned downward, fast below slow below trend. 2. The fast MA swings down and crosses under the slow MA. 3. Price must be below the trend MA. 4. Enter on candle close after the cross. It's like a trend confirmation filter. Only trade when the trend is strong.